Oh, another just big one. Well, Bigfoot, you reckon we should go fishing for a few minutes? Now, for real, these air fresheners suck. They last about 2 or 3 days, but for those 2 or 3 days, they smell really good. I just keep buying them because it's Bigfoot with a 6-pack of beer and his favorite college football team's hat. And if I was a betting man, I would bet that Bigfoot's favorite college football team is the Mountain Monkeys. I need help. But, topic of this video, it's going to be a Memorial Day fishing challenge. So we're just going to use red, white, and blue colored stuff. Got the blue lenses on my water lens. Go check them out. Link in the description. Awesome sunglasses. And this hat was red and white at one point, but I happened. So I'm going to dig out some Memorial Day red, white, and blue theme color baits, and that's all we're going to use. So let's do that and get down to the water. Shoot, it is a hot one this afternoon, and I just realized I don't have my pliers with me. Hey, we got one. A bluegill that's just barely hooked. That's one for the, what was that? Bobby Garland Patriot. Take another look at it real quick. That is a good looking bait. A lot of flash in that one. Let's try this one for a few more minutes and then go to something else. And what we have here, so the red breasts are red ear. Well, that's 2 on the Bobby Garland Patriot. And I also don't have a blade of any kind on me. Yay. Let's dig around in my bag and hope that I've got something to cut with. Well, I got that. Well, we snagged and broke off on the other one, but we were also not getting any bites. So I got a little bit more confidence in the solid white with all this nasty muddy water. Another species for the day, I believe. Yeah. Little female red. On the white trout magnet. Okay, that's nicer. And not by much, but it still counts. Church over at the next bridge down there on the other part of it, but hey, I'll check that out here in just a little bit. All right. No, knowing my luck, I'd forget them in the back of my vehicle. Big old red ear. All right, what we ended up doing, I didn't mention it, swapped over to a red trout magnet on a little 32nd ounce head. Nothing spectacular. I honestly don't have a lot of confidence in this color, but you know, for the challenge. Hey, we got something pretty good here. Biggest one of the day. And I can actually talk now. Some guy and his kid was over here next to me fishing in the creek here. It's a good looking red breast on the red trout magnet. A little bit of a belly flop, I'm sorry. But I don't like getting or talking too much when there's other people around and fishing and all that, because the heck is that? No. I don't like talking too much when there's other people out and fishing and all that, because you know, I don't exactly want to hear a bunch of people yapping when I'm fishing, so just return the favor. So since we ain't getting a ton of action over here, we're gonna go over now. Hey, still reserved. That person must hate themselves. And the thing is, I don't have any blue colored baits with me. So that little Bobby Garland Patriot or whatever, that's gonna have to count for blue. But I think it's been a success so far. We've caught something on a white color bait, we've caught something on a red, something with a little bit of everything. Here we got one. What it is, tiny little red. Chill. Chill. Belly flop. Hey, we got us another one. I'm still on the red trout magnet. Because like I said, the red color baits, they're just not a confidence color for me. So really the only way to break yourself from not using baits that you're not confident in or colors you're not confident in is to just use them. Belly flop, sorry. And I had a text message. Who was that from? But yeah, in dirty, muddy water like this, I like bright color baits like white, chartreuse white, you know, really obnoxious colors that are just easier to see. Oh, that was a good hit. Ooh, that's good. Dude, it's just a slob of a red ear or red breast. Chill. That is just a slob. Well, it counts. Oh, another just big one. What is this? Because this is the hardest fighting thing of the day. Y'all, this might quite possibly be my PB red or red breast. And just look at that thing. Look at it slap me in the face. Anyway, before it flogs me to death, we're going to get it back. And we're going to call her quits. Well, that wasn't a bad little trip, which it feels like the older I get, the shorter my fishing trips get. And you know, that 20, 30 minutes, hour is really all I want for fishing. Then I want to go home, sit in front of the air conditioner where it's nice and cool. Anyway, white trout magnet, red trout magnet, and the brain fart here, Bobby Garland Patriot. We caught fish on them. Anyway, hope y'all had a awesome Memorial Day weekend. Don't do anything stupid like drink and drive or drink and boat, because everybody knows, everybody and all their cousins and families and whatnot are going to be on the rivers and the lakes getting inebriated and doing stupid stuff. So don't do stupid stuff. Anyway, hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.